things straight. I take orders from just one person, me.
So when are you still alive? Will somebody get this big walking carpet out of my way?
Chewie was actually the first voice that I was hired to work with. Back when Star Wars was just in the script stage. They knew they had this character, Chewbacca, who was going to have to act and appear in the scenes with other actors.
Where the hell have you been? All right, don't lose your temper. I'll come right back and give you a hand. Where you going? Make my report. Tell him my name in it. All right.
The question was, what would he sound like? He's not going to speak English. He's going to speak some sort of alien, animal type of voice. One of the first meetings I had with George Lucas, he talked this over and he said something about maybe bears would sound good. He had heard some recording maybe something about bears growling, making vocalizations. That'd be one of the things we look into. We had a list of different animals to go out and record. So in the sort of year I spent recording preliminary sound for Star Wars, I collected lots of bear sounds, walruses, badgers, sick animals, all sorts of. And out of all these recordings, you can extract little bits of sound, little grunts, and moans, and ugs, and args. So it's a voice which is manufactured completely out of animal sounds, principally bears, and synchronized with the performance that's shot in the film.
Put him in.
Please, I'm not ready to die.
Hey, listen to me, Chewie. Chewie, this won't help me.
Hey, save your strength. There'll be another time. The princess, you have to take care of her. You hear me? Huh?
Well, you said it, Chewie.
May the Force be with you.